Hey guys, all right, a little bit of geometry. Today is the 26th and we are going to do angles. I'm just going to write their angles till we've decided on all the different types of angles that we're going to look at. Okay, so you take notes with me as the lesson progresses so that we are all on the same. Let's look at simple angles to start with. A straight line is called a straight angle because it's 180 degrees. If I chop this in half, I get a 90-degree angle, which is a right angle. And just for interest's sake, oh, and by the way, right angle is 90 degrees. And just for interest's sake, if we have an angle that's not 90 but bigger than 90, we say it is obtuse. We say it is obtuse. Okay, so let's start with a straight angle, which is a straight line. There's my straight line. And I'm going to chop it up. I'm going to chop it up into angle 1 and angle 2. Okay? And I'm going to tell you that angle 1 is 56 degrees. Now, here's what you need to know. Angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Why? They share a side. They share a side. Okay? Here is something else you need to know about angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Supplementary means together they're 180 degrees. Oh, here comes Miss Harris. Are you going to pull or am I going to pull? Okay. So angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, which means together it works. Mine works. Sorry guys, I'm back with you. Which means together they are 180 degrees. So if angle 1 is 56, the rest of the 180 would be angle 2. So 180 take away 56 will be 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 5 is 2, 124 degrees. So angle 2 is 124 degrees. We can do this with 90-degree angles too. Okay? Can chop it up into a 30-degree angle, and then I can say angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent to each other. Together they make a 90-degree angle, so they are complementary. Together it's 90 degrees. So if angle 1 equals 30 degrees, then angle 2 would be 90 minus 30, which is 60 degrees. So complementary angles equal up to 90. Supplementary angles equals up to 180. And we've learned about adjacent angles. They share a side. Now there is another type of angle I want to show you. If you take two lines, two straight lines, and you make them cross like this. Now I've got angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. You have angles that are looking at each other in each other's eyes. They're standing opposite each other. Okay? And their fancy name is vertical angles. And guess what? Vertical angles are equal. They are congruent. They're exactly the same. So if angle 2 is 75 degrees, then angle 4 would be 75 degrees. Got it? Okay, now check this out. Isn't it true that angle 2 and angle 3 lie on a straight line? Yeah, so guess what? I can now go 180, take away 75 is 105 degrees, but oh, look at this. Angle 3 and angle 1 are vertical, so angle 1 must also be 105 degrees. Okay? Alright, in class we're going to practice naming these angles a little bit more and finding supplementary and complementary angles, and we will also be working with x. How do we find x? Which is really easy. Okay, I will stop now so that you can catch up with the notes, and then we'll start our lesson. Thank you guys. In a nutshell, Megan, in a nutshell, that was our lesson. Thank you guys. Bye.